Abraham says, life is not about the quantity of friends you have, it's all about the quality of friends you have. Kerala has won an UN awards for its outstanding contribution towards the non-communicable disease-related sustainable development goals. The UN Interagency Task Force, which is UNIATEF, awards this year on prevention and control of non-communicable diseases was awarded to 6 health ministries across the world. State Health Minister K.K. Sailaja congratulated all the health workers for the achievement. COVID-19 recoveries in India crossed 47 lakhs, cases exceeded 58 lakhs. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 58 lakhs 18,570 as 86,052 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 92,290, while 47 lakhs 56,164 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 9 lakhs 70,116 are active. In US, New York has voted to retain the name swastika, stating it was named after the Sanskrit word meaning well-being and not after the symbol associated with Nazis. Swastika was named by the town's original settlers in the 1800s, officials said. For the uneducated that immediately assume it's connected to Germans and Hitler, it's not, officials added. Sensex jumps 835 points, Nifty reclaims 11,000. Indian equity benchmark Sensex staged a rebound after a 6-day fall and jumped 835 points or 2.28% on Friday to close at 37,388.66. The broader Nifty 50 index jumped 1,244.7 points or 2.26% to end at 11,050. All 30 Sensex stocks ended in the green with Bajaj Finserv, HCL Tech, Bharti Airtel and Indelsen Bank being the top gainer. Earthquake of 5.4 magnitude hits Ladakh region. A medium intensity earthquake of 5.4 magnitude hit Ladakh region on Friday at a depth of 10 kilometers, National Center for Seismology said. The epicenter of the earthquake was reportedly 129 kilometers northeast of Leh. Meanwhile, no loss of life or injuries have been reported in the Union Territory because of the quake. Google has sought approval from India's Antitrust Body Competition Commission of India for its 33,737 crore investment for a 7.73% stake in Jio platform. In its filing, Google mentioned that the two will also develop and launch a new smartphone in India. Mukesh Ambani had announced that Google and Jio will develop an Android-based operating system for smartphones. Apple has confirmed that it acquired Scout FM earlier this year, an app that creates podcast stations based on different topics such as technology and history. The app brings a radio-like experience, curating different podcasts of similar themes under one station. The app shut down after Apple acquired it, one of its many acquisitions in 2020. US proposes fixed period of stay for foreign students. Journalists. The Trump administration has proposed a rule to fix period of stay for international students, exchange visitors and foreign journalists. Under the proposal, students and others would be admitted into the US until the end of their program, not exceeding 4 years. Those from countries with higher visa overstay rates would be limited to a 2-year period of stay. Government allows airlines to decide baggage limit for domestic flights. The Civil Aviation Ministry has allowed airlines to decide baggage limitations for domestic passenger flights, according to an official's order. When domestic flight services resumed on May 25 amid lockdown, the ministry had stated that only one check-in baggage and the one hand baggage will be allowed per passenger. The check-in baggage limit was increased to 20 kilograms in May. Singer S.P. Balasubramaniam passes away aged 74 in Chennai. Legendary playback singer S.P. Balasubramaniam passed away on Friday at the age of 74 in Chennai's MGM Healthcare. His son S.B. Charan confirmed he was hospitalized on August 5 after testing positive for COVID-19. Though he tested negative later, he was put on the ventilator. The 6-time National Award winner has recorded over 40,000 songs in as many as 16 languages. If you keep an onion on your foot for 30 to 60 minutes at night, it will purify your blood. Chris Evans sending Captain America's shield to a 6-year-old boy who saved his sister from a dog attack. Singapore means lion city, but no lions lived there by nature. This guy was alone in a flight, so he clicked his photo on every seat and later edited it. brand name Geo is a mirror reflection of the word oil. The logo suggests that data is the new oil. Thank you for watching. I hope this is very useful to you. Share this knowledge to your friends and family groups, and I'm signing off here. Bye bye.